How do startup and shutdown procedures impact vacuum pump health? Many customers focus on operating the pump, but overlook how important correct startup and shutdown procedures are. In this video, we'll take an EDS pump as our example. Skipping a purge cycle, using the wrong gas ballast setting, or ignoring cooling water quality can create issues that slowly affect pump health. During commissioning, small mistakes such as low cooling water flow or contaminated water can lead to overheating or long-term internal damage. These problems may not appear immediately but develop over time. Adhering to a proper sequence safeguards the pump. The process begins by verifying utilities. Start with checking the nitrogen supply, then the nitrogen pressure reading, followed by water connections. Next, confirm coolant and oil levels. Adjust gas ballast settings and ensure the power supply is stable. Finally, verify the direction of rotation. Confirm steady pump operation and always follow the proper shutdown procedure. For pump-specific details, refer to the instruction manual and follow the recommended startup and shutdown procedure. How to check for the ultimate vacuum after your pump has been serviced. After a pump has been serviced, customers want to be certain it can reach its deepest vacuum level. The first and most important step is to measure your vacuum levels. Accurate verification always starts with the use of a calibrated vacuum gauge, like a calibrated speedometer in a car. If a speedometer is not calibrated, it may show a certain speed on the dial, while the car is actually traveling faster, not letting the driver see the accurate speed at which he is driving. In the same way, using an uncalibrated vacuum gauge can show an incorrect pressure value, leading technicians to adjust or run the pump based on data that does not reflect its true performance. For pumps not connected to our remote monitoring system, close the inlet valve to isolate the system. Let the pump warm up and then read the vacuum level using a calibrated gauge placed at the inlet. This shows whether the pump has reached the correct ultimate vacuum after service. For pumps connected to our remote monitoring system, Genius Instant Insights, close the inlet valve, run the pump at maximum RPM, read the vacuum level using a calibrated gauge placed near the inlet, and view the inlet pressure on the Genius portal. That reading reflects the ultimate vacuum directly. If the value matches the expected range, the pump is ready to return to normal operation.